Kia ora, welcome back to Adam's Kai Time. Today we're making Lamingtons. And these are the ingredients you'll need. We'll need flour, South Asian flour, sugar, corn flour and eggs. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and then get started. First we're going to put 6 eggs in a bowl and beat them together. So 2/3 of a cup of sugar. And then mix it together, beater. Half a cup of plain flour. 1/3 of a cup South Asian flour. Add 1/3 of a cup of corn flour. Fold in your flour. Now grease your container. Now we're going to add the mixture. Put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Now we're going to make the chocolate icing. You need icing sugar, chocolate cocoa, coconut, butter and milk. First you need to melt the butter. Half a cup of cocoa, 4 cups of icing sugar, and add the butter. Get 2 cups of coconut ready. Lamingtons and dip them in our coconut. This is what your Lamingtons should look like. Let the icing set before eating. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Ka pai!